Alright, this is the prototype for Project Survive. Again, name not final, that is something subject to change. This is a tutorial going through a bunch of different features and mechanics of the game and what we got so far. So, we're going to start off with the first tutorial room, which goes through the basic movement system, which is the arm swinger style of you hold down two buttons. For this game, it's the grip buttons, and then you swing the controllers around. Move around, the faster you move, the faster you go. And it's all based on the direction of the controllers more than the headset. So basically, you can do a sort of running in one direction while shooting someone behind. An additional feature within for players is if you hold down the grip buttons on one controller, only one. Then if you hold down the trigger and then move the controller, you'll move backwards. So you can do a sort of running backwards, shoot enemy style thing. All right, this is the first room. I've got some shelves on the side of weapons I already have in this pack, but I would like to have fully in the game with better features such as recoil simulation, which makes it more difficult to aim and just create more fun in handling weapons. So this is the basic gun we got so far, the pistol. It's a Glock style gun. Starts off with 12 mags. You can press the touchpad to eject the magazine, and you just tap the gun to reload it. So the first task of this one is to shoot the targets. Picking the gun is simple with a trigger, and to drop it, you press the application button, which is the button above the touchpad, and that drops the weapon. You can store weapons on you with these ball system slots. So we got weapon slots at the bottom, which you just tap the drop button, which is the application button. While a gun is inside the weapon slot, just tap the drop button and it'll click into there. It's the same system that Hot Dogs, Horseshoes, Hand Grenades uses. It works well. So, right, for picking up ammo, there you can individually pick up in each mag and put it into a mag slot, and you'll have more in there. And the ball will become more red until the entire. Once the mag slot will become full once the entire ball turns red. You can either pick up each mag individually, or you can pick up one mag and make it touch another mag to make it combine into 2 and 3. So I can go all along down here, combine it to 10, and put it on there. So each mag slot for each weapon will hold differently. So for the Glocks, it is 12 magazines you can hold up to. And I've also left a second weapon here, so you can do dual wielding, and you can just go crazy. So this little section here is talking about different reloading techniques. So the main way that every game seems to use is picking up a mag, holding a gun, putting the two together, and you've then got a magazine in the gun. There's no sort of fancy pullback to cock the gun or anything. I might add it in for the full game if it is a feature that's requested that people want. It might even be a difficulty level, just like an extra things that make the gameplay more fun if the player wants to try and challenge it on. So you can have a bit of fun with how easy it is to reload. So if I take the Glock, I can throw the magazine in the air, catch it with the gun. Just sort of very simple things. The other way, that is the speed reload. There is a box on your lower back, basically. And so it's more meant for dual wielding. If you fire the gun, press touchpad to eject the mags, and then move the guns behind your back, you'll feel a slight click in the controller. You bring them back forward, and they're now reloaded. So you can go hex down enemy and go crazy. So I'm going to pick up the rest of these mags, holding down the trigger. So here we have the enemy, or what it looks like. So now I've got to get 1,500 points. I only start off with 500. Just going through shooting gets points. Sort of basic system. I would like to have so if you throw the gun in the air, catch it again, or then you'll basically have like a multiplier, and you can sort of stack those to create more fun elements, give yourself more of a challenge for the starting rounds. rather than it just being quite boring and basic. So I found a few little neat things you can do while messing around in this game. If I have the magazine in one, I could fire the magazine from one, throw it into the other. Oh, I missed that time. Fire the gun. I'm terrible at this, but you can basically throw the magazine into the other gun and it'll catch it. And I would like to have things like that. So it's just being creative and just having different ways of reloading and get you loads of points. So these are golden mags. You'll get a golden mag when you buy a weapon from my stand. These basically hold the maximum amount of mags a mag slot can hold. You cannot put them into the gun because that'd be a waste. But they go onto your mag slots and basically it fills up the entire thing in one big go, and that makes it easy to buy weapons at a hectic time, so you don't have to be reloading each individual mag into the mag slot. Alright, there are two buy stands in the tutorial so far. We have grenades and SMGs. I'll start off with the SMG. I'll show you what that looks like. So when you can either buy a mag individually with golden mag, or you can buy a gun which comes with a mag as well. So buy the gun, I get the Thompson, and I also get the mag. If I put it into my lower slot. So now if I go over here, I can put in some more and get some points. Yeah, I haven't enough to get another. Let's get a second gun. So to buy in the buy stands, you hold down, you put your hand within each area you want to buy from, so either the gun or the mag, and then you hold down the touchpad, and it should drop you the weapons if you've got enough money. If not, a little thing will pop up. It'll just turn red, basically saying no, you don't have enough money for this. If I go pick up this mag, we can go get some more points. So as you can see the load distance, I think I would like to leave it as a 4, but you can get many multiplier points for reloading that way, because it's so easy and quick to do. Yep, grenades. So again, hold down the touchpad to buy. So when you buy a grenade, if you buy the multi-cost, you buy a bunch of them in one go. And any golden mag will overwrite any weapon that you have in your mag slots. So you have to be careful of that. But when using the grenade, you have to remove the pin. You put it near your mouth like you're pulling the pin out. Then the pin is removed. You can press the touchpad for the handle to drop, and then the grenade is cooking. So that's one way of doing it. Whoa. The other way is pulling the pin out and then just throwing in the grenade. The handle will drop once you throw it. As simple as that. How grenades should work. They do damage. It just kills it instantly. That's all. Yeah, the next room. So that's basically all the core mechanics. At this point in the prototype, it will take you on to the full game once you hold this cube, which teleports you down to the main area if you hold on for long enough. But yeah, that's all the core mechanics of the game.